Hi guys. So previously we have solved question 2.39, 2.40 and 2.41. Today we are going to talk about 2.42. So the statement of it is 3 lottery tickets for first, okay, second and third prizes are drawn from a group of 40 tickets. Find the number of sample points in S for rewarding the 3 prizes if each contestant holds only one ticket. Okay, so again the same scenario. This is 2.42 and the same scenario in which we have 3 options here: first, second and third, and for each option here we have the different number of possibilities. So for the first one we have 40 possibilities, for the second we will have 39 because one has been occupied with this position, and the third one here we will have 38, and multiplying them together I will get the answer. Okay, so apart from it we can also see that this is the permutation problem, and we can also use here the formulation which is NPR. So NPR is n factorial divided by n minus r whole factorial. So in this scenario the value of n is 40, the value of r, which are basically the number of options available at a time, so these are 3. So putting them here we will have 40 factorial divided by 40 minus 3. Okay, 40 minus 3 factorial. Okay, so what I will get from it, I will get here 40 factorial divided by the 37 factorial, or I can also simplify it like 40 multiplied by 39 multiplied by 38 multiplied by 37 factorial whole divided by the 37 factorial. We will see that these two will cancel out, and at the end the answer of it will be 40 multiplied by 39 multiplied by 38, which is similar like this one. Okay, so these two answers are basically coincides with each other, so that is basically the answer of question 2.42. Okay, so that is the solution which I hope you have understood. Now removing it and moving to the question 2.43. So let me start doing that. Okay, so question 2.43 here, and the statement of it is, in how many ways can 5 different trees to be planted in a circle? Okay, so we have a circle in which let me have this first position, second, third, fourth and fifth. Okay, so let me consider a hypothetical circle here. Okay, so these are basically the positions of the what trees. So this is, let me have first position, second, third, fourth and fifth. Okay, so now considering the number of options for each position here, so for this position, if this is the first position for first tree, how many options would I have here? So I will have 5 options here. How many options will I have here for this one? If one has been planted already, I will have 4 options here. How many here? I will have 3 options. How many here? 2. And here for the last one I will have only 1 option. Okay, so after them, each of them can be replicated with each of the other ones, so these has to be multiplied together. Okay, so at the end what I will get, I will get here 5 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1, so which is basically the 5 factorial. Okay, so the answer of question 2.43 is 5 factorial. You can calculate it by using any thing here, but if you calculate it, that would be 5 multiplied by 4 is 20, 20 multiplied by 3 60, 60 multiplied by 2 is 120, and then 120 multiplied by 1 is 1, so that is 120. Okay, so I am not calculating it in many questions, so in that case you can calculate it by yourself. Okay, so that is the solution of question 2.43. Now moving towards the 2.44, what is the statement here? The statement here is that, in how many ways can a caravan of 8 covered wagons from Arizona be arranged in a circle? So again we have a circle in which we have to arrange now 8 covered wagons. Okay, so what it would be, so let me have here the hypothetical circle as well. So let me have here the hypothetical circle, and here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so we have 8 options, and for each option, this is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and eighth. Okay, so now again following the same procedure here. So for the first option here, or the first location here, how many option would I have? So out of the total options, I will have here 8 options, because I have to arrange all 8 of them in a circle. So here I will have 8 options. For the second position, when one has been occupied, here I will have here 7 options. So when these two has been occupied, so 8 minus 2 will be 6. So here I will have 6 options. If 3 are occupied, here I will have here 5 options. Here I will have how many? If 4 are occupied, I will have 4 options. Here if 5 locations has been occupied, here I will have 8 minus 5 is 3, so 3 options. Here I will have 2 options, and at the end, when here I will have only 1 option. So again at the end I have to multiply them together as well. Okay, so I will see that multiplying them together is the option. So now what will happen here? I have to multiply 8 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, which is basically the 8 factorial. Okay, so the answer of this question is 8 factorial, ways in which 8 covered wagons can be arranged in a circle. Okay, so that's it for today, in which we have discussed the remaining 3 questions of our exercise problems. So I will see you with the similar type of questions in our upcoming video. Okay, thank you so much.